How to track your orders on Amazon. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Amazon.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in using your login credentials, that is, your email address associated with Amazon, and your password. Now, to track your orders on Amazon, tap on the Returns and Orders option on the top right of your screen beside your account name. You will then see the option for Track Package. Tap on that. You can also scroll down and see additional options below the timeline. You can check for delivery updates and status in this interface too, and once delivered, you can also check where your package was delivered. So, this is how you can track your orders on Amazon. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.